Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 2 of VMath Level E. We're on Lesson 9. Turn to page 33 so you can follow along and take notes. All right, for getting started, let's do some practice. We're estimating. So when we have 372, if I'm estimating to the nearest 100, it's going to go up because the 7 rounds the 3 up to 400, so it's about 400. 135, the 3 makes it round down, so it's about 100 if I'm going to the hundreds place. So here we have 372 minus 135. So we take what they're rounded to, 400 and 100, and we subtract to get 300. Here we're going to round again, so 898 is about 900. That's going to round it up to 900, and the 2 is going to round it down to 500. So then we subtract 900 minus 500, it's about 400. So this says we're going to estimate the differences of 591 and 326. Well, 591 is closer to 600, and then 326 is closer to 300. So then we would do 600, take away 300 is 300. So it's about 300. We're going to round each number to its greatest place value, then estimate the difference. So the greatest place value is the hundreds for both of these. So we're going to round to the greatest 100. So we have 734. And this 3, that is not 5 or more. So it's going to stay at 700, round to 700. And then the 6 here in the tens place is that's 5 or more. So it's going to round the 1 up to 200. So then we do 700 minus 200 is about 500. Here we have 527, and that 2 makes it about 500. It's closer to 500 than it is to 600. And then the 99, that 9 makes it closer to 100 than it does to 0. So 500 minus 100 equals 400. All right, we got a couple more practice ones here. 626, the 626 makes it closer to 600. And then 29, that 9 makes it closest to 30. So it's closer to 30 than it is to 29. So we're going to subtract. We get a 0. We can't do 0 minus 3, so we got to regroup. Make that a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus nothing is 570. Then we have 438. So that 3 again makes it closer to 400 than 500. And the 1 makes it closer to 300 than 400. So we'll subtract. 400 minus 300 is 100. All right, so as a reminder here, it says round each number to its greatest place value. So the greatest place value for both of these is the hundreds place. So we look here, the 7 would round that up. It's closest to 900. The 7 rounds that up to 400. And then you subtract the rounded numbers and regroup if necessary. So 900 minus 400 is 500. So 873 minus 372 is about 500. Remember, when you estimate, it's about. Okay, on your own, you're going to complete page 35. Remember to show your work. Good luck.